Understanding the phrase, "What's the scoop?" Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to dive into a fascinating English expression, "What's the scoop?" This phrase is a colorful part of the English language, and knowing it can add a fun element to your conversations. So, let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. "What's the scoop?" is a casual and informal phrase. It's used to ask for the latest news or information about something. Imagine you're asking for the newest portion, or the latest serving, of news, much like how one would scoop ice cream. It's a way to ask someone to share new developments or gossip in a light-hearted manner. This phrase has an interesting origin. The word scoop in journalism refers to getting an exclusive news story before anyone else. Over time, this term became part of everyday language. When you ask, "What's the scoop?" you're metaphorically asking for an exclusive or fresh update on a situation, just like a journalist would. When can you use this phrase? "What's the scoop?" is perfect for casual, informal settings. Catching up with friends, "Hey, what's the scoop? I haven't seen you in weeks." Learning about events. "What's the scoop on the office party next week?" Discussing news or gossip. "I heard something happened at the concert last night." What's the scoop? Remember, it's not appropriate for formal or serious situations. It's best kept for light, friendly conversations. To help you understand better, here are some examples. 1. After returning from a vacation, "I'm back in town. What's the scoop here?" 2. Inquiring about a project. "You had a meeting with the boss about the new project, right?" What's the scoop? Variations of this phrase include, "What's the latest?" or "What's new?" These can be used interchangeably depending on the context. And that's the scoop on "What's the scoop?" This phrase is a fun and informal way to ask for news or updates. Remember, it's best used among friends or in casual settings. We hope this video has been informative and adds a little flair to your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.